Christmas is about 2 months away, and we are always looking for ways to like save a few extra bucks when it comes to Christmas time. I finally got my hands on these savings stamp books from Checkers. They can be used at Checkers, Checkers Hyper, ShopRite, and it's 20 Rand for one stamp. I bought 200 Rand today, and I want to show you how it works. So I think this is great, especially if you're gonna buy like gifts for the kids Christmas time. This is going to help you. So you're just going to take one of your stamps and you're gonna stick it in a book. And when the book is full, or no matter how many pages you have, you can go and you can go redeem it. So this is 20 Rand, this one stamp. This is just another small hack for that, festive time. Even if you want to give somebody a gift and you think that you want to give them money, maybe fill up one of these. Start filling up one of these. Maybe that's a nice end of year gift. And like I said, you guys can use it at Checkers, ShopRite, or Checkers Hyper. Hope you guys have a great day and hope this was a interesting little plug.